morning, students. So today topic is physics motion. We will discuss in the speed, velocity, and acceleration. What is first is noted as the speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance. Speed is the rate of change of distance or the distance traveled in unit time. So this is the expressions for the speed. Speed is the rate of change of distance or the distance traveled in unit time. So starting point to ending point reaching the particular time period. Now the formula for speed is equal to distance divided by time taken. Okay, so distance divided by time taken, that is the SI unit of this speed is ms power minus 1. This is the speed concept. So once again, the speed is the rate of change of distance or the distance traveled in the particular time period, and the speed is equal to distance divided by time taken, and the SI unit is ms power minus 1. Second, what is the velocity? So what is the meaning of velocity? The velocity is the rate of change of displacement. So the rate of change of displacement. The rate of change of displacement. The displacement is the unit time. So the displacement in unit time, and it is a vector quantity, and velocity is a vector quantity. So vector quantity, that the SI unit is a SI unit ms power minus 1. The speed is the same SI unit as well as the velocity is the same SI unit. So the velocity is time taken, okay? Displacement per time taken. The third one is the acceleration. What is acceleration? It is acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So the acceleration is the rate of change of velocity. So rate of change of velocity is called as the acceleration or the change in velocity in unit time. It is also is vector quantity. It is a vector quantity because it has some of the distance and some of the direction is there. And the SI unit of the acceleration is ms power minus 2. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So A is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So the formula is final velocity. Change in velocity means initial velocity and final velocity. So final velocity, acceleration, final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time taken. Time means t or time, and the A is equal to v minus u. V is a final velocity and t is a and use the initial velocity divided by time taken. This is the formula for the acceleration. In the situation in which the body moves in the straight line without reversing direction. So without reversing direction, from the above equation is V greater than U, because it is traveling the straight line without reverse direction. At the same time, the velocity increases with the time and the value of the acceleration is positive. Now V less than U, that means your velocity less than U, that means the final velocity is less and the initial velocity is high. This is final velocity is less the initial velocity. The velocity decreases with the time taken. So the value of the acceleration is negative. So this is the positive and this is the negative value of the acceleration. So it is called as a negative acceleration. The negative acceleration is called as a retardation. This is another one name is retardation. Okay, so retardation. Now they are using this side. So negative acceleration is called negative acceleration. It's called retardation. Retardation. It is the acceleration as the value is minus 2 ms per minute. We say that deceleration is 2 ms per minus 2. These are the two values. So this is the velocity, acceleration and speed formulas to define it. Okay. So see the next class. Thank you.